Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing healthy dinners? Well, worry no more. We're about to dive into a world of 5-minute healthy dinner recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also contribute to your well-being. Imagine the joy of creating mouth-watering, nutritious meals in no time. Forget about the stress of lengthy cooking and complex recipes. Say goodbye to complicated and time-consuming meals, and hello to quick and easy recipes that will transform your dinner game. First up, we have a mouth-watering Greek salad. Begin with some fresh cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, and tangy olives all chopped up. These ingredients are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Next, add in crumbled feta cheese, a fantastic source of calcium. For the final touch, drizzle it all with a zesty lemon and olive oil dressing. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that helps to reduce bad cholesterol. And there you have it, a refreshing and nutritious salad in just minutes. Next, we have a delicious veggie stir-fry. Ignite your stove and heat a pan with a dash of oil. Toss in a vibrant medley of your favorite vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, and mushrooms. Let them dance in the pan until they're tender and full of flavor. Now, it's time for a splash of soy sauce for that savory kick. This stir-fry isn't just versatile, it's a nutritional powerhouse too. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice or noodles, and you've got yourself a satisfying and wholesome meal. Craving something a bit heartier? Look no further than our chicken and avocado wrap. Begin with grilling a well-seasoned chicken breast, then slice it into lean, flavorful strips. Now take a whole wheat tortilla and lavish it with a layer of creamy, heart-healthy avocado. Add some crunch with fresh lettuce, a pop of color with juicy tomatoes, and top with your succulent chicken strips. The final step? Just roll it up and relish a dinner that's not only guilt-free but bursting with flavor. Next, we have a nutritious quinoa bowl. Kick things off by cooking up some quinoa as per the package instructions. Once it's ready, the world is your oyster. Toss in an array of your favorite veggies, perhaps some roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed spinach, and creamy avocado slices. Give it a drizzle of tangy balsamic vinaigrette and a sprinkle of crunchy seeds. The versatility of this dish is truly astounding. It's a meal that's as diverse as it is delicious. This bowl of goodness will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. Last but not least, we have a speedy and scrumptious salmon with roasted veggies. Begin by seasoning a fresh salmon fillet with zesty lemon juice, aromatic garlic, and your favorite herbs. Meanwhile, toss some colorful veggies, think carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, in a light drizzle of olive oil. Slide them all into a preheated oven and roast until the salmon is perfectly flaky and the veggies are tender. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and an array of vitamins, this dish is a feast for your taste buds and your health. This impressive and healthy main course can be on your table in a flash. There you have it, 5 quick and easy healthy dinner recipes that will turn you from fit to fab in no time. These mouth-watering meals, ranging from Greek salad and veggie stir-fry to chicken and avocado wrap, quinoa bowl, and salmon with roasted veggies, are sure to change your dinner game. So why wait? Start cooking these nutritious and delicious recipes today and feel the difference in your health and mood. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like these. Happy cooking!